Subscribe AK Gardening Passion channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Friends, today's video is not on any plant review or plant information, but today's video is on the unboxing of this Amazon parcel which I have bought for this channel. This is the bill from the box and this is the actual box or a package of the product, that is Boya BY-M1 microphone or a mic. Here they have mentioned some of the features and specifications of this mic or a product by the company it is mentioned, friends. Then they have mentioned about on what all devices we can use this product, like it can be used for cameras, smartphones, video and audio recorders. Then friends, let's open and see what all is in this box. Here we have a pouch, then we have one information booklet or a guide to use this microphone or a mic. They have mentioned all in detail in this information booklet. Then we have a pouch in which there is actual mic, and in this pouch can be tied in this way and we can store the mic in this pouch itself. Let's see what is in this pouch. So in this pouch, like we have the mic. Friends, the pouch is of well quality. Then we have this actual mic, and we'll see about the mic. This is the cable, which is 20 feet long cable. Then this is the plug or a socket, to which we can attach our smartphone. Then this is the actual mic. So let's see what all is in this small packet. Let's open it. So friends, we have here many of the parts of this mic, like we have a foam windscreen, then we have a adapter for attaching this microphone to cameras or DSLRs or amplifiers. Then we have the clothing clip, which is used to fix this mic on our clothes. Then we have a battery which is used when we are attaching this mic for DSLR or cameras. So friends, let's open and see it. So this is the battery. It is a simple battery, friends. Then this is the foam windscreen, like we have to attach it on the microphone. Attach it in a very delicate way because it is a delicate product. Handle it with care. So friends, here it is a compartment for a battery to be installed. Just we have to open it in this way, and then just see friends, like after opening, here there is socket, and in that socket we have to just install this battery in this way, but do it carefully, friends. Then we have to close this part So this is the information booklet which is given as a guide by the company. Friends, we will see this information booklet in detail after some time. They have mentioned all about this product. So friends, this is the clothing clip. Like in this way, just we have to attach it to the handle of the microphone or a mic, so that we can fix this microphone or clip this microphone on our t-shirts or shirts. I'll show on this paper. Like we have to just clip it on the t-shirt or shirt. It is very simple, friends. Then the pros or cons of this product is only these long wires, because it may get messed up as it is very long, but it is also useful when you can walk through in the class or a lecture or a presentation. This is the extra adapter which is given by the company for cameras or DSLRs. So friends, let's see this information booklet, as it is given by the company for a guide to a user. So let's see. On first page, they have mentioned about the introduction of the company, and they have introduced this microphone. Like we can use it with cameras, smartphones, and for recording devices, audio recording devices, to use as a reliable and trouble-free performance. So next they have given about the package contents, what all things are included in the package. That is one BYM1 microphone, foam windscreen, clothing clip, then velcro, then battery, carrying case, and user manual. This is user manual, friends, just we are reading it. Then nextly they have given the features, that is number 1 denoting the omnidirectional microphone. Here they have described below item and the description according to the numbers. So number 1 is omnidirectional microphone, number 2 is power pack, that is battery and its setting, then camera setting number 3, that is to DSLR, off, or smartphone. So friends, on next page they have given about the features of this microphone or mic. That is we can clip on lapel microphone for smartphones, cameras, and all other equipments and devices like audio video recording devices. Then it is high quality condenser microphone, ideal for accurate voice recording. Then omnidirectional pickup pattern for flexible, easy use, and low handling noise. So these all things they have been given as features of this microphone. Then nextly they have given using the microphone with clip, that is how to attach this microphone to the clothes. So friends, it is very easy to handle and very easy to attach and easy to use. So no much need to read this. Like also they have been explained each and every point, that at how much height from your face you have to clip on this microphone to your clothes like t-shirts or shirts. Then they have actually given the height in centimeters and inches from your face, so it's easy to use and you can move around, as the wires are also long, that is 20 feet of these wires or cables are being done available by the company, so that you can walk around through your gardens for reviewing the plants, and also you can take presentations and classes. So here in this picture they have clearly displayed. So they also have mentioned some tips and notes, and also given some points regarding the use of this microphone with a smartphone. So what all things you have to take care, that is, they have also mentioned the caution, like there is no need to install the battery when you are using this microphone with your smartphone. So here they have given on which mode you have to take, like when you are using this for smartphone, then we don't have to use these batteries. Like when we are using this with smartphone, then you have to switch on the mode on the smartphone. So also they have been given using this microphone with camera, then using this microphone with laptops. So for camera they have provided extra adapter that we have to attach and plug this jack in that adapter. So nextly they have given about using this microphone with laptops and using this microphone with other devices, like many of the amplifiers are there, many of the audio video recorders are there. So on next page they have given about replacing the battery, that how after the discharge of this battery how we have to replace this battery. And on next page they have mentioned about troubleshooting, or if any problems come out, then how we can solve these problems, or what all settings we have to do. They have been given in detail. So friends, they have mentioned in detail all things, and in next page they have mentioned about the specifications, that is transducer, polar pattern, frequency change, signal, noise sensitivity, output, impedance, battery type, connector, dimensions and weight of the mic. Then they have mentioned specifications, that in frequency and graph they have mentioned. And so this was all about the booklet which is provided by the Boya company. So hope you like this video and review of this product. So thanks for watching and keep watching the videos. Thank you.